Hey students, now that you got to this video, it probably means that you've gone through the entire series, which is a commendable job. That's great job done. And I hope you've equivalently and parallelly practiced SQL on your systems as well, either on a open source platform or by downloading the workbench. Now it's time to look at some of the questions, some of the majorly commonly asked questions over here, and try to put those questions into some kind of framework which can be generalized, and which those frameworks can then be used into similar questions asked in SQL interviews later on. One of the questions which we come across a lot is that how to find the second highest or the third highest of a numerical variable, let's say salary. For example, if I just give you a glimpse of, in fact, we have used this database a lot. Select star from HR_EMP. If we do this and run this query, we have to first use the HR_EMP. Okay, use HR_EMP, right? And this is how, and the table name is not HR_EMP, it's employees, right? So correct. Now the data is fetched. For example, I want the second highest or the third highest salary. Highest salary is fine because we can just go for select max of salary, and from employees it's very easy for me to find the maximum salary, which is 34,000. What if I had to find out the second highest salary? Now what happens over here is that here comes the subquery part which can be used over here, and either we can use the where statement or the subquery part. Now what I need to do is the logic of finding out the second highest salary is pretty simple. Take out the first highest salary from the entire data, and now whatever remains, maximum of that is the second highest salary. That's the point. So what I need to do over here is to ensure that now this particular part, which is this, is used as a subquery, right? Now I'll go for select, let's say star from employees where salary, and not in. Not in is going to solve my purpose, because now the salary of the employee, I want to select the entire data where the salary of the employee is not from. In fact, I'm so sorry, I did not select star. I had to go for select maximum salary, isn't it? Select maximum salary, and let's go for something like the first name of the employee as well, right? We'll go for the first name of the employee, maximum salary as max salary, right? From employees where salary not in, that is now the salary is not into this particular set, and this set is nothing but the maximum of the entire maximum salary of the entire set of employees. So if I run this, I'll get the second highest salary, and the person who is earning the second highest salary. Please understand what's going on over here. Now please try and understand the logic of the query. If I look at the highlighted portion over here, this particular simple query is just selecting the maximum salary of the entire data of employees. All right. The moment I put in the not in clause over here, that I'm saying that I do not want this exact salary in the set. That is, I want the salaries which is not in the maximum salary over here. That is, give me the details, give me the following details. Which are the details? These are the details. Give me the following details from employees where the salary must not be in the maximum of the salary. So what query is going to do is just going to take out the maximum portion over here, and it's going to reflect the rest of the portion. Till here we get the rest of the data, that is the salary not in the maximum salary. I get the rest of the salaries, and now once I go for the maximum salary out of the rest of the salaries, I get the second highest salary.